In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create label in Gmail, how to set up label in Gmail. First, open your Gmail inbox and make sure you're signed in. We'll start in Settings because it gives you the clearest view of all label controls. Click the gear icon in the top right, then choose See All Settings. Along the top, select the Labels tab. This page shows every label in your account, including Gmail's built-in system labels like Inbox, Sent, and Trash. Here, you can decide which ones show in your label list on the left side. If there are system labels you don't use often, you can hide them to keep your sidebar tidy. Now, let's create a new label. On the Labels page, click Create New Label. Type a clear, specific name, something that immediately tells you what belongs there. Short names work well, but be descriptive enough that you won't second-guess it later. When you're happy with the name, click Create. If you need more than one, repeat the same Create New Label action to add additional labels. It's a good idea to group related topics or projects together so your labels stay meaningful over time. There's also a faster method you can use without leaving your inbox. On the left sidebar, scroll to the Labels section and click the plus icon. This opens the same label creation box right where you are. After you create a label, click the three dots next to it to customize. You can pick a label color to make it stand out visually, and you'll find other helpful options there if you want to tweak how it appears or organize it further. Need more labels from the sidebar? Just click the plus icon again, name the new label, and create it. Keeping a consistent naming style, like using the same prefixes for related labels, makes everything easier to scan later. You can also nest labels to build a simple hierarchy. When creating a label, choose to place it under an existing parent label. Select the parent label from the list, then name your new sublabel and create it. Confirm by clicking Create. Nesting is great for grouping subtopics, such as placing a specific project phase under a broader project label, which keeps your sidebar compact and organized. And that's how you create labels and set up your label structure in Gmail. Using the Settings page gives you full control, while the sidebar method is perfect for quick additions. With a few well-named labels, thoughtful colors, and optional nesting, your inbox will be far easier to navigate.